This is Michelle Goldman with AOC2 and our final week 4 project. Okay, so this is my final week 4 project. Still working with the planner, just working on different types of views using the swipe as opposed to the tap or click to be able to add events and then close out from the second view to the main view. Not a lot of differences in the main view controller header file other than adding the right swipe for the gesture recognizer. That was the main difference. I had to change the outlets a little bit here. And then in the implementation file, here we are, adding in the swipe gesture to add the event, which is right here. And then adding in the method for the recognizer so it would switch to the second view. I don't understand again why I'm having so many issues with the naming that's occurring in right here to get the second view to display. But I did get it to work nonetheless. And here's our method for saving the text. So it goes into the text view right here. I added a clear button, so that way you could clear everything out from the text view if you wanted to clear that out. And then when you close out of the second view, go back to the main view, and then when you click on clear, it's also going to display all events go here. And then our main view controller nib file, which is going to look pretty much the same as what we've got going on here. Everything works, all of the buttons, all of the events, everything works, no problem. Making sure that the class is correct in both the nib files. If it's not set in that second view controller nib file, then those outlets are not going to work. So I learned that last week. So then we have got our second view. There's a header file, and this is pretty much the same. Again, having to put in the swipe left for the gesture recognizer, the implementation file. Changes there would be, are on close still. In the view did appear, adding in the swipe gesture, we've got that. The recognizer, our alert, that's the same. I had issues last week with getting the date formatted the way that I wanted to, and was able to get some help after I turned in my assignment and try to apply that same formatting to this week, and I'm ending up with the same format I had last week. So hopefully I'll be able to get some feedback on that once I turn the assignment in. So let's take a look, and down here I've got just the requirements for the project. So we have got we've got our save button, okay, and I did add the clear button so that we can clear this out. Say we clear that out, all events go here, swipe right, and our second view comes up. We'll type in our event. This is my first event. Okay, close keyboard, that works. My label, select date and time of the event. Choose the date and time, swipe left to close, and here's my event. Swipe right again, we'll just add another one in. This is my second event, close keyboard. Okay, we'll pick another date and time. Swipe left to close, that saves it. So we've got everything here. We click on save. That's going to save it into the text view so that even when I close out, here I'll close out of there. I'll close out of the simulator, pull that back up again, and you see my events are saved. And then I can clear those out if I want to clear them out so I can start fresh. So all in all, not too bad. Would still like to get a better handle on the views and the naming and getting that in, so I'm not struggling with that so much. And then also with the formatting of the date. But minor things, I think, overall. Otherwise, pretty pleased with my progress for this month.